What's up, everyone? It's Synchron here, and today I'll be opening up a couple 2018 Megaton packs and one Cybernetic Horizon pack. I figured I'd test my luck and open them up on the channel. All that said, let's get started. So the reason why I took advantage of the 2018 Megaton price drop is I want to see if I can actually pull either an evenly matched or a Borload Dragon, but I mainly wanted a Borload Dragon this whole time. After 9 tens, you think I'd give up, but since the price drop, I figured why not try one more time to see if I get lucky. Well, yeah, I mean, we'll save Cybernetic Horizon for last, really. So let's see what we get. So, Boon, the accelerator, if I'm correct, that's the Link version of the calculator. Legacy Heart, Fire Prison. What's his name? Double Resonator. True King of Punk, that could actually be pretty useful. Ib the World Chalice Princess. Oh, Dragonic Diagram. Okay, well, I mean, that's pretty useful in a future deck I'll be running. Lee World Chalice Fairy, that's new. Backup Squad, FA Pit Stop. Puppeteer, Artifact, two artifacts. D-Tech, Complayer, and FA Pit Stop. So I'm gonna throw the hollows over here, the commons on the other side. Next pack. Well, I mean, we got a Dragonic Diagram, that's something at least. Power of the Guardians. Overdone Burial, I have a couple of these already. Reveals. Security Block, and Died Answer, Link Hole. Emergency Rescue. Yeah, that's about it. Let's see, pack number. Oh, let's try. Pack number 3. Okay. Basically just skip to the hollows at this point. Burning Memory Sword. Oh wait. Okay, Autogeist Silhouette, can't pronounce that. Hey Trunade, not bad. Magna Rocket and Reiko, the Twilight Sworn. Rest of the commons. Yeah. I mean, we're not doing too bad. Hey Trinade was actually reprinted about a month or two back in the, what was it, the Destiny Hero box. So pulling it again isn't bad, really. Okay, actually Goki rematch. I can use that. I've been needing another one anyway. Hey Trinade again. More merrier, I guess. Magna Rocket Dragon and World Legacy Discovery. Okay, not bad. Another world. Nice. Oh, okay. World Chalice Princess. No. Oh my god, I got it. Guys, I don't care. I finally got Borload Dragon. Oh my god, but after 9 Megatons, that's honestly overdue. So the final Megaton pack. All I'm really hoping for is either a Yugioh at this point, another Borload, or anything other than Firewall Dragon, unless it comes back on the ban list or errated, who knows. Okay, Ultra Geist Protocol. Actually, a couple of these wouldn't be bad. Squib Draw. I can't pronounce that. The True Draco and World Chalice Dragon. Yeah, and so finally the cybernetic horizon. What can we pull from here? Who knows? But it's the final pack of the video, so let's hope we get anything. So mini Boral Dragon, Crusader Power, Contact the Gate. Okay. Dragoonity Knight, Ascalon, and a rare. What? White Stingray. Not bad. Performance Power, actually, hold on, I need that. Rare, Crusadia. Well, overall, I mean, I'm actually kind of glad we got the Borlo Dragon in the end. So let's see, in the end, we got White Moray, Dragoonity Knight, Cyber Dragon Bear. I'm gonna need that later. Alter Guys Protocol, Squib Draw, the Draco Phoenix, World Chalice, World Chalice Dragon, the main MVP, Borload, Ib, Trickstar Canada, Candania, World Legacy Whisper, Goki, 2 Trinades that's in there somewhere, Magna Rocket, World Legacy Discovery, Ultra Guys, I can't pronounce that. There's the second Trinade, second Rocket, Raikou, Security Box, Arrival, I can't pronounce that. Rivals, Overdone Burial, have a couple of those. Power of the Guardians, Backup Squad, Leave, Royal Chalice Fairy, another Ib, and finally Dragonic Diagram. So in the end, not bad pulls. Would I say it was worth 9 Megatons to finally get Borload? I mean, I'm actually glad I bought these couple Megatons when they were a lot lower price. So in a sense, I feel like Borload was a bit overdue in the end, but getting a second diagram for future decks isn't bad either. So in the end, I hope you all enjoyed. I spent spent under $30. So if I do buy more Megatons, I might do another pack opening. We'll have to see. All that said, I hope you all enjoyed and see you next time.